Did you know that just one round of antibiotics can wipe out a crucial gut microbe for up to 30 years? This microbe is the secret to better digestion, glowing skin, and even boosting your mood. Let's bring it back with a superfood yogurt you can easily make at home. In this video, I'll show you how to make Lactobacillus Reuteri yogurt at home. It's delicious, simple to prepare, and can transform your health in ways you won't believe. In the 1960s, almost everyone had L. reuteri in their gut. But today, due to antibiotics, junk food, and stress, 96% of us have lost it. Even one dose of antibiotics, like amoxicillin, can wipe out this essential microbe for decades. L. reuteri is vital for producing serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters that improve mood, supporting digestion, boosting immunity, and even enhancing feelings of love and connection by producing oxytocin. But here's the good news. You can bring it back with homemade yogurt. Here's what you'll need to make this amazing yogurt. 1 probiotic tablet of L. reuteri, 1 tablespoon of inulin prebiotic fiber, 2 tablespoons of ultra-pasteurized half-and-half milk, and 1 quart of ultra-pasteurized half-and-half. If you don't have ultra-pasteurized milk, heat the half-and-half to 195 degrees Fahrenheit or 90 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, then let it cool to 100 degrees Fahrenheit before using. Step 1. Crush the probiotic tablet into a fine powder in a bowl. Mix it with inulin and 2 tablespoons of half-and-half to form a paste. Step 2. Stir in 5 to 6 tablespoons of half-and-half. Whisk gently to create a smooth slurry. Step 3. Add the remaining quart of half-and-half and mix well. Step 4. Pour the mixture into jars and cover loosely with plastic wrap or loose-fitting lids. Place the jars in a yogurt maker set to 99 degrees Fahrenheit and ferment for 36 hours. Once fermented, chill the yogurt in the refrigerator. Remember to keep lids loose during cooling to avoid pressure buildup. Tighten the lids after chilling and enjoy. This yogurt stays fresh for up to 4 weeks. After 36 hours, your yogurt transforms into a creamy superfood packed with benefits. Restores gut health and boosts immunity, produces serotonin and dopamine for improved mood, enhances skin and hair health, and even increases feelings of love and connection through oxytocin. Just half a cup a day can transform your health. Customize it with vanilla, berries, or a low-carb sweetener for added flavor. Making L. reuteri yogurt is simple, affordable, and incredibly beneficial. Reclaim your health one delicious scoop at a time. Check the description for the full recipe and ingredient list. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health-boosting recipes. Let's grow healthy together.